Let's see now how to use the takeoff rules in a new project through the parametric estimate. Open the estimate measurement, load the model, and then select Generate Parametric Estimate from the BIM ribbon bar. Choose the catalog of rules and then select the rules you want to apply. You can also organize your estimate using properties of the model. Go to IFC Property Mapping, choose the property of the model, and then select the custom field. Then click Generate Measurement. The system will check that the filter of the rules that you have selected can be applied on the current model and will generate estimate rows accordingly. You can then go through all the rows and check the related estimated objects. Thank you for watching this video.